Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the WMA, the weighted moving average using Excel. But let me first show you the differences. So we all know about the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. So I've added all the three moving averages here. The one in the purple color is the simple moving average. So basically what simple moving average does is it gives the same weight. So it gives the same weight for all the previous periods. So let's say if I'm doing it on a 9 period, it will give the weight of all the previous 9 candles equally. That's what simple moving average is. But when we talk about exponential moving average, the EMA, it gives maximum weight to the current candle and then the previous candle gets the lowest weight. That's what EMA is. But the weighted moving average, what it does is it will give all the weights in a staggered format. That means if we talk about 9 weighted average, then what will happen? So here is the 9. So what will happen? The current candle will get the maximum weight, which is 9 times. The previous candle will get 8 times the weight. The one before that will get 7 times. So it will be a weighted average. And that is why I like WMA a lot, because it is giving the right number of weight. We all know that the market is more prone to changes as per the current market conditions. So that means the current daily candle should have more weightage compared to the previous one, and the previous one should have more weightage compared to the previous one. So because of that, I will be showing you how we can find weighted moving average in the Excel. So let's start. So I've got the OHLC data here, and the first thing we have to do is, let's say we are doing it for a weight of 20. Let's say we want to find the period of 20. In that case, first what we'll need to do is we'll have to calculate all the weights. So for that, I'm just doing 1, 2, 3 till 20. And then all we have to do is find what is the percentage. So the sum, I'm just making the sum here. So this is the total sum of 1 to 20. And then we have to find what is the percentage of this 20 out of the total 210. And I will have to make it a dollar. So that means this 20 is 9.5%, right? And then we can just copy it right to the top. So this gives us what will be the weight for each candle preceding the current candle. That means if we start with this candle, so if we start with this candle, let me add the WMA here. If we start with this candle, the formula is very straightforward. This is equal to this, which is a current close, multiplied by 10%, because this will get the maximum weightage, which is 10%, plus the previous closing price multiplied by 9%, plus another previous closing price multiplied by 9%, and we have to keep doing it till 20. So we have to keep doing it till here, till it becomes multiplied by this 0 point something percent. Now, as you can imagine, this is a very tough way to do it, because we'll have to keep multiplying and we might also get some errors. So because of that, I'm actually going to show you a formula using which you can do it easier. So what we have to do is, the formula is sum product, and then we will select the current 20 rows. So I've selected the current 20 closing prices, comma, and then I will just find these 20. So it is basically multiplying each one correspondingly, what we just showed. And so this becomes my weighted moving average. But since I would like to fix this data here, what I will be doing is I will be just making this a dollar. So now my weights are fixed, and all I can do is just copy paste right till the bottom. And this is how we can find the weighted moving average. Let me also show quickly the simple moving average here for the same 20 period, so that you can see that it's coming a little different. So I'm adding 20. I'm adding the simple moving average also, and you can clearly see that this is 17,492 because it's giving the same weights. But this is 17,503 because currently, as you can see, currently the market is clearly above 17,500, and this is giving more weight to the current compared to the and less weight to the first candles. So that is why I like WMA much better compared to the simple moving average. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe so that you keep getting such videos in the future. Thank you.